So the other fix that we want to make here is, I believe Dr. Tiffany mentioned it to you guys, is it's nice to have classes in their own files because then you can reuse them. So I can come up here, do Alt-Enter, and move to browser.cs. And then that's going to move it to its own separate class. The only issue is I don't want the browser class living in the tests project, right? Because it doesn't have anything to do with tests. I mean, it initializes it, but really it's more of a framework component because it's part of the Selenium framework. So what I'm going to do is just cut this with Control X and paste it in the framework. And now it lives here. So ReSharper is going to complain here and give me a little warning that namespace does not correspond to file location. Excellent. I would like to update that so that it's obviously in framework namespace. See that? So it belongs to the framework project. So it's framework.browser, not QTP tests.browser, which lives here. So that's excellent. And now we have our browser class living in its own file with the WebDriver created and set to Chrome driver. And the other thing that I need is a base URL to go to, right? We coded a go to URL method here. So let's go to base URL. So that's going to be another method or another property. Excellent. So this is our base URL. Okay? So it means that this is where we start. So now when we initialize, we create a WebDriver and then we go to a URL, but not a blank URL. We're going to go to a base URL. Excellent. So now we're going to qtptutorial.net. Make sure to put the protocol in there.